Now I want to show you the difference between cleaning my 20-year-old juicer and my Kuvings EVO700. Oh no. And you can see this bit here. These are the blades. I can't tell you how many times I've accidentally cut my finger trying to wash this. And this blade, it always gets stuck. You know what? We're just gonna leave this for later. What I love about the Kuvings is how easy it is to just lift up and not cause a mess in my kitchen. The other thing I love is that there are no sharp blades, so I don't need to worry about cutting my fingers on anything inside this juicer. Just quick rinse of water, all the pulp comes off. So sometimes when people think about cold press juicers, everyone's worried about cleaning the screen. Kuvings has a patented screen cleaning tool. It looks like this. What you do is that you take the screen, stick it in the brush, and under running water, give it a brush like this. We are done, and our juicer is cleaned in 3 minutes flat. This will definitely save you a bunch of time when you're rushing to work in the morning. The Kuvings EVO700, get yours today.